My name is Gini Kapoor. I'm a director of Our Medical Innovation Private Limited. We're into skincare clinics in the name of Fantastic Laser Skin Clinic, and we have a product range in the name of Escada International. And I'm basically based in Delhi, and the products have to reach a global market across the world. Basically, this platforms like Five are helping women get equipped with knowledge and policies which are running with the government, become more aware, and also be more vocal and be interactive with the policy makers, where we can put our points, and maybe in the future some amendments can be made. Government can come out with new policies and better opportunities for women. You can say that from gaining point of view, there has been a lot of knowledge interaction in both ways. We have understood, I've been able to grasp a lot of things I was not aware of, like banking schemes, policies which are running, and the bankers have been denying. These information are not easily available and at any local desk, but forums like these are actually working to help out women get more educated, which really helps out, because for entrepreneurs there has to be a support and opportunities. Places like Five is doing a great job in that. In future meets, I think they could train on areas like HR, which is a softcore area, sourcing people, and more things on decision making and how to face government laws, government policies, interactions. Those are typical areas where people like women do not have much of an exposure. They are more shy to interact with government officials, and they should be a place when they should understand. They should be able to understand how to interact in the right manner, how RTI can be used, how people can be found liable and answerable, accountable for their work, which is very important. And even especially like areas like corruption, what remedies are available, stuff like that. This is really important for forums like these to take over. Well, I think that if this kind of an activity could go also on an international forum level, that could be really helpful. Like if we could connect with women and people in other countries and exchange ideas, exchange information, because it's a global economy and the whole world is your world. It's not like you live in India, so you cannot you should be restricted to India. The outlook should be more global, and I feel that the focus, like today there was a lady from Pakistan, and there should be more people coming in from different countries, and we should have an opportunity to travel and exchange our ideas and grow like that.